लोक्यैव यद्वत् वयमोचितौ भक्तिभाजौ कृतं च तथा प्रेम भक्तिं स्वकामे प्रयच्छ न मोक्षे गृहो मेऽस्ति दामोदरे नमस्ते स्तुदामे स्फुरदीप्तिदामे वदीयोदरायाथ विश्वस्य धामे नमो राधिकायै त्वदीयप्रियायै नमो अनन्तलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यं नमो राधिकायै त्वदीयप्रियायै नमो अनन्तलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यं नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले व्रजमानं यशोदाभियो लोकलाघवमानम् परामृष्टमत्यन्ततो धृत्यगोप्या यशोदाभियो लोकलाघवमानम् परामृष्टमत्यन्ततो धृत्यगोप्या. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Super Mataji. Amazing it was. Thank you so much. And with your, I mean, it was really amazing. Karchal adds a beauty more, but you really did very well, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. And Asha Mataji, do you want to recite any shloka or anything, Mataji? Sing bhajan, shloka.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. It's okay, Mataji.
It's okay. Means if we want to recite, we have time, Mataji.
Okay, I can do only Kirtan, Mataji. That's it.
Hare Krishna Mahamantra. So can we chant Mataji then 108 times instead of Prabhupada's recording? Yeah, start Mataji. Yeah, we can do that.
Shall I start, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji, you can start with the Mahaprabhu's Pranam Mantra and then you can start. Yes, Mataji.
Mahaprabhu Pranam Mantra, you just sing,
Jai
Mataji.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadara Shiva Sadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Namo. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much. Yeah, we'll start with the opening invocation. Hare Krishna, everybody. Om Jnanaatimirandasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Stapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Gadamahyam Tadapmi Sapadantikam Vandegam Shri Gurum Shri Tapatakamanam Shri Gurum Vaishnavam Cha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagagana Raghunathanvitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parijana Sagitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padam Sagagana Lalita Shri Vishakanvidam Cham Ke Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kandana Gaurangi Shri Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanusute Devi Pranamami Kari Priye Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Shrimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine Namaste Saraswate Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna. I welcome all dear devotees on this really, very important chapter and very wonderful chapter, Bhakti Yoga. Right, 12th day. I welcome you all on behalf of ISKCON Mangaluru Kulai Temple and Namanishta Prabhu. So, paying obeisances unto the lotus feet of Radha Govinda, we will start today's class with a small revision of, that whatever we have learned before. Bhagavad Gita, 18th chapter, each 6 chapters are divided into different yoga. So 1 to 6, Karma Yoga, that we can attain Supreme Personality of Godhead by Karma Yoga also. What is the only formula? If we do Karma Yoga, surrender the result unto the lotus feet of the Lord. Do not get attached to the outcomes, result. That's what will happen if you are not attached to the result. If you learn to surrender the karma pala, automatically and slowly, gradually, we will develop love for the Godhead. Bhakti, rasas are also there. There are many rasas in Bhakti. What is meant by rasa? See, one in this material world, whatever you like, when you eat, you say, mouth is watering. Rasa. That is a nectar, what we have, the taste we have in any activity. Similarly, Bhakti also has got many rasa. Okay, so there are many, but basically we can see 5 rasas we can talk about. So what are those 5 rasa? Shanta rasa. Shanta rasa is on a very, very shanta bhav. It is like, what you call, actually it is Balram. Balram serves the Lord in Shanta rasa. So that means Balram is that, what do you call that, morpunk, peacock feather. He is the Bastra. He is the, whatever ornaments the Lord wears, whatever dress the deities wear. So he is in that form. Even the cows, the murli, what the Lord plays, all these things, all the ornaments. Okay. So he is in the Shantaba. So Balram is the best. Actually, Balram is in all 5, but he is mainly, primarily, he is known as he worships the Lord. Balram is an expansion of Lord himself. But when he comes, actually Balram comes generally before the Lord comes. He makes all arrangements. That means here also you see only in Ramavatar, he came as a younger one, that is Lakshmana. But all other avatars, even in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who came, Nityananda Prabhu comes before him. And in Krishna Avatar, then Balram comes before Krishna, and he makes all the arrangements because he wants to see that there is not a single truti, we call it as not the smallest slight difference also should not be there with the standard and the actuals. That is the objective. Then comes after Shanta, Dasya. That means being a servitor and with the Dasya Bhav. Dasana, 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 Dasa. In Chaitanya Charitamrita, the Mahaprabhu says, Jivera Swarupa Hoye Krishnera Nitya Dasa. Our original constitutional position is Jivera Swarupa Hoye Krishnera Nitya Dasa. We were all eternal servants to Lord Krishna. So, what other example we can have? Hanuman. Hanuman serves the Supreme Personality of Godhead in Dasya Bhava. So, Shanta, Dasya. Then the third comes Sakya, as a friend. Best example is Arjuna. Arjuna yesterday only told you, remember in that verse, O Krishna, you are the Supreme Personality of Godhead and you are the absolute truth and there is nothing beyond you. Anadir, Adi Purusham. When he said that, immediately what did he say? I'm sorry, Krishna. I, behaved as a friend with you. I have many times, you have shared my jutal, what I have eaten, you have shared with me. We have slept in the same bed. We have played together. I have sometimes even, chastised you without thinking that, without knowing that you are the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So yesterday he took. So he is the best example for Sakyaras. Then comes Madhurya and Vatsalya. These are Madhurya Rasa and Vatsalya Rasa we can see only in Vrindavan. The gopis had the Madhurya Rasa and the Yashodamaya and Nandababa. They enjoyed the Vatsalya Rasa. So, Bhakti can be performed in any rasa. So, karma also, we were talking about karma, 1 to 6 chapter. By doing this karma for the pleasure of the Lord, that is what is very important. We should not get attached to the karma. Whatever karma we do, they are based on the Varnashrama Dharma. According to the Varna and Ashrama, we perform various activities. So, if these activities are not attached to Yati Ratim, Swanishtitasya, what is that? 1 minute. Atashi, Atapumbir Dvijasresha, Varnashrama Vibhagashaga, Na Utpadayet Yati Ratim. So, whenever we perform this, Varnashrama, according to the Varnashrama Dharma, our activities, if it does not create Na Utpadayet Yati Ratim. Rati means love for the Lord. If it does not create all our activities, a love for Supreme Personality of Godhead, what is it? It is a total waste. Na utpatayet yatiratim shrama evaihi kevalam. It is only a labor. Nothing we are going to get out of this our endeavor. So what should be the objective of all our karma when we perform? Utpadayet yatiratim. It should finally result in love for Supreme Personality of Godhead. So that is why Atapumbir Dvijasresha Varnashrama Vibhagashaha Swanishchitasya Dharmasya Samsiddhir Haritoshanam. Samsiddhir Haritoshanam. Our activities should please the Lord. Whatever activity we are performing, it should be done for pleasing the Lord. So you see, both are reversed. Here it says, if it does not create love for the Lord, it is Shamayevahi Kevalam. Here it is said, all the activities should be aimed to please the Lord. So Karma Yoga, 1 to 6. But there also the Lord, Krishna says that all these karmic activities finally will culminate in Bhakti only. Love for Supreme Personality of Godhead means what? Bhakti Yoga, isn't it? So all other 3 yogas, Bhakti Yoga, what is it? Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Ashtanga Yoga. All 3 yogas ultimately means at the end, will result in Bhakti Yoga only. So if you have to perform all the activities according to different yoga, finally come to Bhakti. Why can we do Bhakti? Very easy. That is what Swanishritasya Dharmasya Samsiddhir Haritoshanam. Any religious activity, whichever religion you belong to, Swanishritasya Dharmasya, whichever religion we belong to, it should be in order to please the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So now 7th chapter onwards. So till 6th we saw, actually 6th chapter is little bit of Ashtanga Yoga. But before that, till 5th chapter, what did we say? 3rd one, Karma Yoga. Then 4th one, Jnana Yoga, Karma Mishrit Jnana. That is, that Jnana Yoga was not totally Jnana as the 13th to 18th, but it was Karma Mishrit Jnana. Okay. Then 6th chapter, 5th chapter is action in Krishna consciousness. That is Akarma. 3 karma visa, Akarma, Vikarma, and Sakama karma. Sakama karma, 2 times it is divided, Sakama and Nishkama. Karmic activities, Sakama, Nishkama. Then finally, from 7th chapter. So 6th chapter, the Lord finished that, do karma, and ultimately you develop a love for me. But in the 7th chapter onwards, if you have to develop a love for anybody, you should know about them in and out. Without knowing a person, we cannot develop love. So from 7th chapter onwards, he started telling us why and how we can love the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Why should we love the Supreme Personality of Godhead? Because of his energy we are here. Entire pervading things are his energy, aparaya mitaswanya, prakritim vidhi me param. All this material nature, everything is his external energy. We are his marginal energy. He takes avatar, he expands with his internal potency. Okay, that he told. What is that? 7th chapter, full. Bhumi, Rapo, Anal, Vayu, everything is me. Rasohamapsu Kaunteya, Prabhasmi, Sasi, Shuryayo, everything is me only. Taste in water, heat in lights, and everything. Daivi Hesha Gunamayi, Mama Maya Durateya. He is saying Daivi Hesha Gunamayi. Whatever guna is embodied in this material nature is my guna. So it's very difficult to overcome. But if you overcome by surrendering unto me, I will help you to cross this material ocean. Maya Netam Tarantite. Balam Balavatam Chakam Kamaraga Vivarjitam. I am the Kamaraja, I told. I am Balam Balavatam Chakam. I am the strength in the prowess. He told everything. Tesham Donda Katam Papam Jananam Sukriti Nurjuna. Unless and until we eradicate all our previous sins, we cannot love Supreme Personality of Godhead. We cannot come into bhakti. We cannot come into devotional service. So Krishna told so many things. How to develop love for Supreme Personality of Godhead. 7th chapter. And in the 8th he said, okay, because Arjuna asked, the last 3 verses in the 7th chapter told Adhyatmam, Adibhautik, Brahmam, what are all these things? Arjuna asked. Also Krishna told, what is that? Jaramarana Mokshaya. That is at the time of leaving the body, one who remembers me, they will come to me. 7th, he said. So immediately Arjuna asked question in the 8th chapter. Okay, Krishna, if I have to remember you at the end of my life, what should I do? So Krishna told, Anta kale cha mameva smaranamitva kalevaram yad prayati samad bhavam nati atra asamshayah. If you remember me at the time of death, you will come to me. Whatever you remember at the time of death, you will come to me. So how to remember the Lord? How to do this bhakti? Full and full, he spoke about his opulences in the 9th chapter. And in the 8th chapter, he told he is the best of all opulences. He told the river body is me, the mountain is me. In 10th chapter, he told, in the mountains I am the Meru, in the water body I am the ocean. Like that he said, right? So the best I am. He told in 10th chapter. Immediately Arjuna asked, oh Krishna, I trust you. I have no doubt in you. But in this Kali Yuga, people will not forgive, people will not believe it. What they will say, Krishna was Arjuna's friend, that is why Arjuna believed everything what Krishna said. So can you please show practically whatever you have theoretically shown now? That in the 10th chapter you told you are this. Can you show everything in your body? Immediately, what did Krishna say? I will show, I have no problem. You will not be able to behold that form. It's very difficult to behold. Because Sahasra Murda, Sahasra Baju, Sahasrakshi, Sahasra eye, Sahasra sun, face, Baju, there is a hands, everything he showed. And finally, what did Arjuna see? Arjuna saw the Bhavishya, Bhuta, and Nagam Sarvasya Prabhu Vartamanani Charjuna Bhavishyani cha Bhutani Mam tu Vedana Kashchana. Okay, na Aham Sarvasya. He says, I am everything. Past is also me. This is also in the 7th chapter. Present is also me, and the future is also me. So 7th chapter is such a wonderful chapter. Next is this 12th chapter. So the Lord told, I know about future, past, and present, everything. So he showed the future to Arjuna. How all those people who were standing in front of Arjuna started going into the mouth of Lord Krishna, like a river flows towards the lower level. From the top level, waterfall falls. Similarly, everybody started going into Krishna's mouth, except the Pancha Pandavas. And then immediately Arjuna told, oh Krishna, I'm sorry, I am not able to behold this, because he saw people getting crushed between his teeth and all. So he requested Krishna to show him the Vishnu form, 400 form he showed. Immediately Krishna said, oh Krishna, no, you come back into your original position. What is the original position? Before showing this, he was in a two-handed Shyama Sundara form. So when Krishna showed the Shyama Sundara form, Krishna only told, oh Arjuna, I have not shown this form to anybody. Okay? So Krishna actually, even for a devotee, to see the two-handed form is very, very difficult, because that's the most enchanting form. Because anybody sees that, they will not be able to do. So, like, where, I don't remember. I think somebody in the Radha Kunda, Shyama Kunda. So, like one of the Goswamis, they wanted to go. Who are the Goswamis? Anybody knows who are the Goswamis who came at the time of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Hare Krishna. Shad Goswami. Okay. Anybody? Nobody unmuted. Rupa Sanatana. They are brothers. Rupa Goswami, Sanatan Goswami. Then Jiva Goswami, their cousin brother. Rupa Sanatana. Then comes Raghunatha Bhatta, Raghunatha Dasa. Okay, Raghunatha Bhatta, Raghunatha Dasa. Then Bhatta Jugar, it comes in the verse, right? Gopala Bhatta, 2 Bhattas. Bhatta Jugar, Shiva Acharya, and that Shad Goswami Ashtakam, it comes. Jiva, Rupa, Sanatana, Gopal Bhatta, Raghunath Bhatta, Raghunath Das. They have served Chaitanya Mahaprabhu a lot. Through them only Chaitanya Mahaprabhu spread the message of Sankirtana, Nama Sankirtana. They only helped. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came into everybody's dream to tell them where Krishna was that time. See, this Mughals and all came, no, in Vrindavan. What did they do? They totally, Vrindavan must perish. These Mughals took all the deities along with them. So that time, there are so many stories. Gopalji, who is in Jaipur now. Actually, originally he was excavated in Vrindavan. So like, say for example, the Lord came in the dream of Madhavendra Puri. And he told Madhavendra Puri, I am near this place, under the tree. I'm under the tree in this heat for such a long time. Please take me out, he's saying. Next day, Madhavendra Puri goes with everybody, the village Vasi, and he excavates, and they bring, since the Lord told he was feeling so hot. So many people went to Ganga and they brought this one, what do you call, water. And they bathed the Lord for line. People were standing in such a huge line with pots, and they poured it. Then the Lord came in the night only and told next day, go to Malayachal. Malayachal you go. From there you bring Chandan for me. I am feeling very hot. So it's a big story. Madhavendra Puri went, and those days we all know restrictions, especially sandalwood. You cannot carry. With great difficulty, Madhavendra Puri tried carrying it. But on the way, this one, what is that? Puri Kshetra. The Lord again came in dream. He said, okay, enough now. I am feeling good. Gopalji from Vrindavan is saying, I am feeling good now. So you just use this Chandan for Jagannath. Like that he is saying. So what I am example saying is, the Lord came into every Goswami's dream in the night, and he told all of them where the Lord was lying. And they all went. Every Goswami have one deity for them. That's what you know. Radha Damodar. Radha Damodar, beautiful deities they are. Yet there only Srila Prabhupada during his last time, at the end of life, last period, he has a small room in Radha Damodar temple, and he stayed there only. Even now, the whatever fan he used, whatever little small vessels he used, the bale and chakli, all those things are there. Anybody get a chance to go to Vrindavan, you should go to Radha Damodar temple, and you should visit Srila Prabhupada's room, and you should sit near the cot what he used and chant one round at least. We should come. This is Bhakti, right? Okay. So what we are seeing, Bhakti. Bhakti is actually very easy, but at the same time very difficult also. If you are in association, it is easy. If you are not into association, it is not. Okay, so we will go into the chapter. Today, 12th chapter, that Bhakti Yoga ends. Tomorrow onwards, we will go to Jnana Yoga. So in Bhakti Yoga, the Lord is telling that, Lord is telling, please fill in the attendance. Hare Krishna, all of you. So Bhakti Yoga, where is it? Yes. Are you all able to just check it, whether you are able to? What happening? What's happening? Slide is not coming. I am able to understand. Yeah, now it is okay. Hare Krishna. So Bhakti Yoga. Bhakti Yoga is devotional service. Devotional service, easiest formula Krishna is giving here. Arjuna Uvacha. Yes, I saw somebody who can chant. Shesha Prabhu, I saw him. He's not there now. Yes. Okay. Asha Mataji, are you interested in reading, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji. Hare
Okay,
Krishna.
do it. If anybody else wants to read, please go ahead.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Arjuna uvacha
Hare
evam satatayuktaye bhaktistvam paryupasate ye chapya aksharam avyaktam teshanke yoga vittamaha. Arjuna inquired, which is considered to be more perfect, those who are properly engaged in your devotional service, or those who worship the impersonal Brahman, the unmanifested? Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. So this also Arjuna said out, because see, the Lord told everything, Brahman, Paramatma, and Bhagavan. So what Arjun and many people who all are the Advaitavadis. There are not two. Aham Brahmasmi. I am the Lord. Like then there is no different soul and super soul. Those people believe in Brahman realization. I told the example, you remember? Train example I told, sun disk and sun rays I told. So similarly, here he is asking, oh Krishna, if which is best? Obviously, we know the answer. Best is always to worship the Lord, not the Brahman realization. In the Brahman, whoever merges, remember, it's written, and also I have heard from many, though there are different versions. Those who emerges, those who merge with Brahman, what happens to them? They don't have any service. It is equal to spiritual suicide. Because if you go to Goloka, we get the opportunity to serve the Lord, Krishna. But if you merge with Brahman, that is a light effulgence, there is no service. So what will happen? That soul which was deeply hankering for Krishna service, by mistake towards the end, if they merge also, they may have to come down. Otherwise, they will live there forever till the next pralaya comes without any activity. Without activity, living is very difficult, right? Yes, Mataji, Hare Krishna.
कृष्ण माताजी श्री भगवान उवाच मय्या एवश्य मनो ये माम नित्यायुक्त उपासते श्रद्धाय पर्योपतेस्ते मे युक्तात्मा मातः. The blessed Lord said, he whose mind is fixed on my personal form, always engaged in worshipping me with a great and transcendental faith, is considered by me to be most perfect. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Mataji, next also, the Supreme Personality of Godhead.
The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, those who fix their mind on my personal form and are always engaged in worship in me with a great and transcendental faith are considered by me to be most perfect. Bhagavad Gita 12.2. Hare Krishna.
So both are same. But you know here what? Whose mind is fixed in my personal form. Yesterday or day before we saw, right? Lord's personal form is Archa Vigraha. Lord lives in his Archa Vigraha. So that is why that example Srila Prabhupada gave, Archa Vigraha is like the authorized post box, which will reach the letters, communication to, or those days money order and all, they used to say, go to the post office and then send, they will take it to the right destination. Similarly, it's so beautiful, right? Krishna, it looks as if Krishna is looking, and that's what. So we have to worship this personal form. See, people say, all of you sit right, close your eyes, imagine there's a light in the center of your forehead. Is that a way? How long we can meditate like that? We cannot. But at the same time, we imagine any lords, just now, today Rashmika Mataji sang Damodar Arati. So how beautiful it was. Damodar Arati explains the Lord and the Lasat Kundalam, all those things, and the Yashoda Maya tied him. All these things, when we meditate, we will be lost ourselves in that only. There is no question of coming out of that kind of, those kind of meditation. So Krishna is saying, but still, transcendental faith is very, very important. Yesterday only I told you, I'll tell the story about faith, right? I'll tell you today, 100%. Okay? Hare Krishna. That Narada story, yesterday I said about faith, one beautiful story is there. We will go to that. Yes, Mataji.
12.34.
3 and 4.
12.3 to 12.4. But those who fully worship the unmanifested, that which lies beyond the perception of the senses, the all-pervading, inconceivable, fixed and immovable, the impersonal conception of the absolute truth, by controlling the various senses and being equally disposed to everyone, such persons engaged in the welfare of all at last achieve me. By practicing yoga, people try to stop the mind from thinking, but it is impossible. The goal of life is not to become unconscious, but to become supreme conscious.
Yeah,
Super conscious.
super conscious. Okay. People who are in samadhi, it is referred to. When they are in samadhi, what happened? They don't know what is happening around, but at the same time, they are unconscious. But Krishna's activities are super conscious. You go to any temple, attend Mangalarati, and jump and dance. We all are in super conscious. We have not lost our consciousness, isn't it? So that is why art, see, where is it? By controlling the various senses and being equally dispersed. If you remember full second chapter, we read about that. Yada samgarate chagam kurmanganiva. We have to control our senses like the tortoise controls. It withdraws all the senses inside. And also, samadukka, what is it? There were so many verses. Same dukke, same kritva. Sama dukkha same kritva. Labha labha jaya jaya tato yuddhaya yujyasva naivam papa mavapsyasi dukkam sukham. In both same kritva, one who is equipoised. Labha labha jaya jaya mitra. Today also we will see equipoisedness is very, very important, because what will happen? Otherwise we'll be in distress. What we wanted, we did not get. We wanted labha. But unfortunately, we got, what is it? Gain and loss. Unfortunately, we got loss. We'll be in distress. But when we are equipoised, nothing will affect us. Is it not? Neither the sun nor the ice, nothing will affect us. So that is that is referred to as such persons who are engaged in welfare of all. That means these people will not live for themselves. They will live for welfare of others. All our spiritual masters. You take all the spiritual masters like Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada totally sacrificed his life at the age of 70 because his spiritual master told him to go to Western. We say in that mantra, it's in Paschatya Deshatarine. So his Acharya, is a spiritual master, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. He told Srila Prabhupada to go to Western countries and spread this movement. Why? Srila Prabhupada knew English very well. Srila Prabhupada knew Sanskrit very well. So he told him to go. What happened? He was so equipoised. In the sense, like when he had to go in cargo ship. He went in the cargo ship. He had a heart attack. He was equipoised. When he went there also, there was no place for him to live. He was living in one of the devotees who sent him, who arranged for this whose cargo in which they arranged and they helped Srila Prabhupada getting his passport and visa. They, in their home, that the Mataji used to keep dog food, cat food, everything in the same fridge, where Srila Prabhupada had to keep his prasadam, things for prasadam. But he was equipoised. He did not show any aversion. They also knew, and gradually they all became devotees. So he converted all the hippies into happies in no time. Within those 12 years, ever since he went 66 to and 68, in between, totally 12 years. During those 12 years, he traveled the world 14 times. Is it possible at the time of, at the age of 70 to travel like that? He went with the 40 rupees in his hand, Indian rupees, and he got 400 crores of rupees. So many temples he established. How many devotees he got? Isn't it? He was equipoised, equally disposed. So when dog food was there, his food was there, he was equally disposed. And people, you won't believe, initially and all, people used to smoke there, right? Whenever Srila Prabhupada had to go for Nagar Sankirtan, etc., he used to go through the smoke. People were so addicted to drugs. He has to pass through so many, but he did not have any aversion for them. That is the reason all those Malti Mataji and so many friends they had in California, they were all initially drug addicts. And Srila Prabhupada converted them all. They become Krishna conscious devotees. And now also you go to Mayapur and see how many devotees are living in Mayapur. That's why equipoised. When we'll become equipoised, when we are able to control our senses. Yes, Mataji, it's a very, very important verse. Read.
क्लेशो दिक्तरस्तेषाम् अव्यक्तासक्तचेतसाम् अव्यक्ता हि गतिर्दुःख देवाब्धिर् अव्योप्यते.
Deha vadbir avapyate. Yes, Mataji.
अव्याप्यते. For those whose minds are attached to the unmanifested, impersonal feature of the Supreme, advancement is very troublesome. To make progress in that discipline is always difficult for those who are embodied. Hare Krishna Mataji.
So that is unmanifest. That is what the what is that? Brahman realization, Brahman effulgence. Because he's in actually the Lord is in his unmanifest form. Full Prakriti is Lord's creation, but it is in unmanifest form, isn't it? It is not. Lord is, we say the Lord is not visible. That's why in the 7th chapter, Lord told, you see me in the water, you see me in the sun, you see me in the moon. Like that he said, is it not? So here, Klesho Dikataracham Avyakta. Avyakta and Vyakta. Avyakta is unmanifest. Unmanifest is the impersonal form of the Lord. That is a Brahman, effulgence. And another one is advancement is very, very troublesome there because you have to focus on the light and you have to progress in bhakti. But at the same time, when you believe in the Vyakta, that means the Lord's personal form, what will happen? It is very easy to attach ourselves. Say if a child is crying, you have to make the child quiet. You say, see your cat, see your dog, dog is cat and not there. You tell the child, will the child keep quiet? No. If the real dog is there, the child may see and may little bit, calm down. So similarly, Brahman effulgence says that the Lord is there and that Lord is this supernatural energy, life effulgence. How long people will be able to meditate upon this life energy, light energy? So that is why to make progress in this is very, very difficult. Avyakta ki gatir dukkhan. This unmanifest form, in that path, if we go, it is dukkhan. It is very, very difficult to understand the Lord. So now the Lord will be giving us after this shloka, he will give us the formula by which we can attract the Lord. Yes, Mataji. Etu
सर्वाणि कर्माणि मयि सन्न्यासी मत्परः अनन्येव योगेन मां ध्यानयन्त उपासते तेषामहं समुद्धार्त्र मृत्युसंसारसागरात् भवामि न चरात् पार्थ मय्यवेशति चेतसाम्. For one who worships me, giving up, for one who worships me, giving up all his activities unto me, and being devoted to me without deviation, engaged in devotional service, and always meditating upon me, who has fixed in his mind upon me, O son of Pratha, for him I am the swift deliverer from the ocean of birth and death. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Son of Pritha. Son of Pritha, his another name is Partha. And Partha Sarathi, Krishna. So Pritha is another name for Kunti Maharani. So, O son of Pritha, Kunti Maharani's son. See here, first verse 12.6 is again Abhideya, the process of reaching the Lord. And next is 7 is Prayojana. If we reach the Lord, what will be our benefit? So how to reach the Lord? How to worship him? Etu sarvani karmani. For one who worships me, sarva karmani, by giving up all his activities and being devoted to me. So give up all activities, it does not mean become a sannyasi. That he had told in the 3rd chapter itself. Don't give up your activities. But here it is saying giving up. Meaning what? Do your activity, give up the karma pala. Don't attach to the karma pala. So one who worships me, giving up all his activities unto me, they are surrendering the activity itself under the lotus feet of Lord. Before doing everything, they say Krishna Arpanam. After doing everything, they say Krishna Arpanam. So those who surrender like that, being devoted to me without any deviation. Okay, mind fixed in them. Engaged in devotional service. What will happen? So this is the process. We have to worship the Lord without the mind being deviated here and there. We have to worship the Lord, giving up all our activities under his lotus feet. You will take care of Krishna, I don't mind. The example, what I told, no, Narada story will explain this. So here, always meditating upon me process. What will happen? If you do it, O son of Pritha, for him, I am the swift deliverer. I will come and like a eagle comes from far away place and from the beautiful photographies are there. It just comes and picks up the fish like this and then goes up. Isn't it? Like that, the Lord will come down and he will pick us up and he will take us to the Lord's abode. So this is the prayojana. So if you perform this devotional activity, the prayojana is Lord will come and give us shelter. He will take us to his abode. Yes, Mataji.
मयेव मन अधसत्त्व मायि बुद्धिं निवेशय शिष्यासि मय्येव अत ऊर्ध्वं न संशय. Just fix your mind upon me, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and engage all your intelligence in me. Thus you will live in me always without a doubt. Hare Krishna Mata.
Haribol. So from here, the Bhakti Yoga, Bhakti's formula starts. Okay. So what does the Lord say? Bhakti formula, very easy. Just fix up your mind, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and engage all your intelligence in me. Thus you will live in me always without a doubt. As samshayah. This also has come in 3-4. So just leave. Sarvadharman paritejnya mamekam sharanam raja. Leave everything, come and surrender unto me. Finally, he says, same here. So the highest formula is, don't do anything. Just fix your focus under me and what is that? Engage with all your intelligence in me. Again, I am telling you, Lord is not saying give up everything means become sannyasa. No. Do your duties, fix your mind in me, surrender to me, and both the karma and karma pala, sacrifice under my lotus feet. If you do that, you will come to me. It is very, very difficult. We all know. Giving up all our attachment and surrendering unto the lotus feet of the Lord. Is it that difficult? Yes. Na anya bhakti. There is no other bhakti. There is only bhakti. Nectar of devotion. Anya abhilashita shunyam. Jnanam karmam adi anavritam. Jnana karma adi anavritam. Anukulyenu Krishna anushilanam. Bhaktir uchyate. Uchyate bhakti. Uttama bhakti. What is Uttama bhakti? Anya abhilashita shunyam. Shunyam means zero. No other desire. Other than Krishna, the desire is zero. Jnanam karmam adi anavritam. We are given up Jnana yoga, karma yoga, all we are given. Anukulya Krishna anushilanam. Whatever is favorable for Krishna, follow it. That is the Uttama bhakti. Okay. This is little difficult, we may think. Yeah, it is difficult. So Krishna gives the next formula. Okay. If you are unable to, yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Ata chittam samadatum na shaknoshi mahistiram abhyasa yogena tato mam ichchapam dhananjaya. My dear Arjuna, O winner of wealth.
Ichchatum dhananjaya.
My dear Arjuna, O winner of wealth, if you cannot fix your mind upon me without deviation, then follow the regulated principle of Bhakti Yoga. In this way, you will develop a desire to attain to me. Same Mataji. This one is
the
also
easiest formula. Same. Yeah, exactly same. Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. See, Krishna is saying you fix your mind and always be in my thought. Okay, no problem. In this Kali Yuga, you are saying it is difficult. Yes, I will give you another formula. If you can't fix, what is the other formula? Just follow the regulated principle. What are the regulated principle? No illicit sex, no intoxication, and no meat eating, no gambling. 4 regulative principles Srila Prabhupada had given. So you follow. Why it is given? That also I will tell. What is the time? Okay. 1 second. I think we will have time, so I'll tell. Why these 4 regulative principles? 4 regulative principles because these 4 regulative principles are 4 pillars of Dharma. Dharma has got 4 pillars. Okay? Tapa, Shaucham, Tapa, Shaucham, Daya, and Satyam. Tapa, Shaucham, Daya, Satyam. Tapa is austerity. Shaucham is purity. Daya is mercy. Shaucham is, Satyam is truth. So, 4 pillars of Dharma is Tapa, austerity. Austerity was the path of self-realization in the Satya Yuga. Tapa, Shaucham, celibacy. Shaucham was the austerity. Shaucham was the path of means for liberation in Treta Yuga. Daya, mercy. This was the self-realization path in Dwapara Yuga. In Satya Yuga, it is, in Kali Yuga, it is Satyam. Got it? Whenever one yuga went, one pillar broke. So now the Dharma is standing on only one pillar, that is Satyam. The Tapa gone. In this Kali Yuga, can we do so much austerity? Going to the forest and sitting in Himalayas, equipoised, can we do austerity? Definitely not possible. Prana alpayusha yuga sabya. Prana alpayeshu yuga sabya. Kalavasmin yuge janaha. Manda, sumanda, matayo, manda, bhagyo, hyupadritaha. In this Kali Yuga, everybody has got short life. Manda buddhi. Sumanda. Very, very manda buddhi. Manda bhagya. Very, very unlucky. What happens? Hyupadritaha. Most of the time they live in distress. So is it possible for Kali Yuga people to perform all this austerity? No. So tapa we can't do. Okay? Celibacy, Chaucham, that also we can't do. In this Kali Yuga, everybody has got, what is it called? Live-in relation. Something, a new trend is coming. Everyone has got. Everyone first test each other, then they get married. Is it not? So then the third one is worshipping temple. Again in Kali Yuga, we can't keep taking people work in three places. How to take off and go to visit Dhams. Okay? Vrindavan, Dwarka Dham, etc. Not possible. So all 3 legs are broken. Only Satyam is now there. That Satyam also down and door. Anytime it will fall down. In Kali Yuga, can we say everybody is truthful? Definitely not. So 4 regulative principles I told. So Krishna is saying you can't fix your mind on me. You can't do devotional service only focusing on my lotus feet. No problem. Just follow these 4 regulative principles. That is easy for you. Yes, Mataji. Abhyasepya samurtosi.
Samurdosi. Vatkarma paramo bhava. Madartam api karmani. Kurvan siddhim avapyasasi. If you cannot practice practice the regulations of the Bhakti Yoga, then just try to work for me, because by working for me, you will come to the perfect state. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Third formula, right? We are coming from the top. Totally be sense control fits on me, my lotus feet. Not possible, follow the 4 regulative principles. That is also not possible. No problem. What do? Just work for me. Tell whenever you work, okay, Krishna, I am going for work for you. I am eating to maintain the body which you have given me, to maintain it. So like that, you work for me. So what is it? Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. You say before you start the work, after you finish the work. If you cannot practice the regulative principles, just try to work for me. See why this picture is given, This fellow is making it looks like a temple. Is it not when we see the pillar? So he can have 2 consciousness. One thing is, I want money. I want to save protect my family. So I'm working so that I'll get wages. Another consciousness is, I'm constructing temple. Krishna selected me as a tool, nimitta matrena, we say, no, instrument for constructing his temple. Then also the benefit will be the same. He will get money, he will take it home. But you see the difference between the consciousness? I want money, that is why I'm working here. I am working here because Krishna has selected me. In both the cases, you will get the same salary. Isn't it? So in wages rather. So here it is said that if it is very difficult to follow the regulative principles of Bhakti Yoga, for I said, you all would be remembering, I think. Please remember that we need to follow it. So now what will happen? Work for me, O Arjuna. If you work for me, then you will be able to come to me. Yeah. Yes, Mataji. This is actually not from this verse. This is from the 9th verse. Sorry, 9th chapter. We have already seen it. In the 9th chapter, we saw Etkoroshi Edasnasi. Whatever you do, what you do, give away, sacrifice. Jugosi Dadats, yes, whatever you offer in such a manner that you are doing it, everything, all this giving means charity, austerity. Whatever you do, do it as an offering to me. Beautiful Radha Govinda, you see, ISKCON Kulai Mangalore temple. How beautiful they are looking. They look like as if we can take them in our lap, no? Beautiful. Yes, Mataji, next you. Okay. Now, this actually, you all will get a chance. If you, what is it? 1 minute, you wait. You can donate in this link. Our Namanesha Prabhu does not charge from anybody. These courses are not paid courses. When Prabhuji asked me to share the, what do you call that, quiz link. I'll try to share. See here, in the quiz is free, and the certificate is free, classes are free, nothing he charges. But you know what Prabhuji wants? Prabhuji wants you all to be a part of this seva. That means Prabhuji wants you all to be a part of this temple. So whatever you can, and please click it. 100, 50, 51, 101, whatever bare minimum you can donate. What do you know? It shows your Baba. Krishna, we are donating for Krishna. So Krishna will be very happy. When we need anything without asking him, he will give us. All these things, what we possess, did we ask him? Imagine how much Krishna has given us. Nothing we asked him, he himself gives us. No need to ask. He is seated in our heart as Paramatma. He knows our desires. He gives. Don't ask. Mataji, so many days I have been thinking of buying such a luxurious car or villa, etc. He is not giving. Don't say that. Materially, whatever we want, if we need, if there's something good, with that only he will give. Otherwise, he won't give. But spiritually, you ask anything, he will give. But by donating 50, 100 rupees, you will be a part of ISKCON Kulai Mangaluru temple. Yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
अतैतदप्यशक्तोऽसि कर्तुं मद्योगम् आश्रिता सर्वकर्मफलत्यागं ततः कुरु यथात्मवान्. If, however, you are unable to work in this consciousness, then try to act giving up all results of your work and try to be self-situated. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. This formula also again he has given. Oh, you are not able to work for me in my consciousness, always thinking of me, keeping me in the center of all your activities. These are known as Krishna conscious. Thinking of me, cooking for Krishna, going for shopping, for buying grocery for Krishna, dress for Krishna. So the consciousness here is what? Nanda Baba, when Krishna was born, giving lots and lots of charity to Vrindavan Vasis. So Krishna is saying, if you are unable to work in my consciousness, do whatever you want. At least you will get some karma pala, 100 marks, gold medal. That time you say, Krishna, because of you, I got it. Right? See from where he has gone. Fix your mind and focus under my lotus feet, then do anything, he said. No problem. Not able to practice regulative principle, he said. No, not possible. Okay, no problem. Work for me, he said. That also not possible. Okay, no problem. Do whatever you want. Finally, at the end of the day, say Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. So how easy formulas Krishna has given to be a Bhakta. After that also we are not a Bhakta. Yogi Jnanam Abhyasa.
Shreyo Ignana
Hare Krishna
Abhyasat.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Shreyo Ignana Abhyasat. Gnanadhyanam Visheshyate Dhyananta Karma Palatyagastyagam Shantira Nantaram. Anantaram. If you cannot take to
He's
this
so beautiful.
practice, then engage yourself in the cultivation of knowledge. Better than knowledge, however, is meditation, and better than meditation is renunciation of the fruits of action. For by such renunciation, one can attain peace of mind. Hare Krishna Mataji.
So Hare Krishna. What did it say? Work for me. Not able to work? Okay. Or when you get the karma pala, you give it to me. You can't practice that also. Then what? Okay. Go and cultivate knowledge. Don't come to devotion. Try to cultivate knowledge. Because by cultivating knowledge in the sense, actually, you remember, Artho Jignasu Artharthi Jnani. These four type of people finally will come to me. Goom pirke, nothing hua, then they will come to me. So if you are jnani, ultimately, though it is delayed, you will come to me. So Krishna is saying, okay, you are not able to do all these things, bhakti yoga, okay, become a jnani. Okay, jnanis are also good because jnanis have at least the realization that I am not the Lord. Unlike the atheists say, isn't it? There's no Lord at all. Everything is Brahman, and we are part and parcel of that. Isn't it? Yeah. Yes.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Who is
12.13.
not envious.
One who is not envious, but who is a kind friend to all living entities, who doesn't think himself a proprietor, who is free from false ego and equal both in happiness and distress, who is always satisfied and engaged in devotional service with determination, and whose mind and intelligence are in agreement with me. He is very dear to me. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Bol. Now all the verses, next 6 verses will be, you are dear to me. So what will happen? This is a prayojana. Oh Krishna, you told us to do bhakti yoga. So at least finally the last stage we will be able to do. Last stage is what? You surrender everything to me. That's all. In that consciousness you live. Okay? Do whatever you want. Finally you have to say Krishna Arpanamastu, right? Okay. So if you do that, what will happen? What is the prayojana? You will become my dear friend. How you will become my dear friend? Again the same. One who is not envious. Krishna is telling Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna because he is not envious. And he is a kind friend to all living entities. Who does not think of himself as a proprietor. Who is a proprietor? The Lord is a proprietor. Bhoktaram Igatapasam Sarvalokam Ageshwaram 5.29. He is the Sarvalokamageshwaram, he is the Bhoktaram, he is the proprietor, he is the enjoyer, he is the ultimate benefactor. We have seen this. Who is free from false ego and equal. He is equal in all circumstances, whether happiness or distress. Like Jadabharata's story, you remember? He was always equipoised and engaged in devotional service with determination, and whose mind and intelligence are in agreement with me. What I think only they will think. They always see like this Sudama. Sudama used to always think about Krishna. Though his wife told you, go and ask something and come. He thought, if I think in my mind, Krishna will come to know. But he knows already. Why should I think about it? And Krishna gave him whatever he did not ask for it. Same way that fruit seller, you remember? Krishna brought with his little hand 2 grains of rice he gave. And her full basket became precious stones. Because Krishna knows the Baba. He only have to serve him, who is always satisfied and engaged in devotional service. Devotion, no, devotional service. Serve him. And Krishna serves Sudama, you see. So these kind of people who are always equipoised, who know that they are not the proprietor. Krishna is a proprietor. Ishavasim idam sarvam yatkincha jagatyam jagat. Tena diktena bunjita magrida kasya sritnam. Everything belongs to the Lord. What is in my quota, I should enjoy, which the Lord has given me. I should not try to intrude in others' quota. Okay, that is a real intelligence. You got it? Equipoised. You see, right from the beginning, Krishna is saying, be equipoised. That's all bhakti. Don't jump when you get sukha from sky to earth. don't get lamented, and just be in distress when you do not get what you wanted. Be equal in both. Yeah. I'll finish it, Mataji. He for whom no one is put into difficulty and who is not disturbed by anxiety, who is steady in happiness. They are very dear to him. What is the example given here? This is Citraketu Maharaj. Citraketu Maharaj is too dear, close friend to Lord Shivaji. So he is, Citraketu Maharaj has got a great devotee. So those days, only not these days, we fly in the airplane. So they all had the Vimana. So he was going through his Vimana. He saw down. This Shivaji was telling Bhagavatam to everybody. But you know what happened? Parvati ji was sitting on his lap. So he laughed from up. He told, oh Shivaji, have some shame at least. Put Parvati ji down and tell Bhagavad Katha. At this, you are sitting with great sages. So why are you having her on your lap? He told. And Shivaji did not take it seriously because he is, again, he is the, what do you call? He is next to Supreme Personality of Godhead. Next to Vishnu. Krishna, Vishnu, then Shiva. After that only Brahma. So one who is here, Citraketu Maharaj was steady in his happiness and distress. Parvati ji put him in distress. What did she say? You will become an asura. Become an asura. Like that she said. Nothing bothered to Citraketu Maharaj. He could have easily counteracted or he could have counter-cursed. Nothing he did. He smilingly told, okay, Mate, if you want me to become asura, I am ready. Like that he said. He did not even ask her anything. That is what the another example for equipoise. Hare Krishna Mataji, read. One who is not.
But one who is not envious but is a kind friend to all, kind friend to all living entities, who doesn't think himself a proprietor and is free from false ego, who is equal in both happiness and distress, who is tolerant, always satisfied, self-controlled, and engaged in devotional service with a determination, his mind and intelligence fixed on me. Is fixed on me. Such a devotee of mine is very dear to me. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Again, he is very dear to him. So for Krishna, very simply, you can become my dear devotee simply remembering me and simply being equipoised in all circumstances. Okay, this is Bilvamangalam Thakur. Bilvamangalam Thakur, actually, once upon a time when he was very young, he was too much attached to one Chintamani. His father passed away, it was pouring down like anything, still she wanted to go to her home. And it was flooded. He caught some log and he went, and there was a rope. With that, he climbed because there was no power, nothing. Climbed and went to her home. What she said, you are crazy to come at this time like this. See, the log, what you thought, and you hold that and came, it was a dead body floating in the water. The rope, what you thought, that's what is ignorance, ajnanam. So he claimed that is a snake. And if this love, if you have for the Lord, what will happen? At least we say no, liberation. There will be a possibility for liberation. That's what she told him. And he got, she told him to go and see the Lord. He went and saw Anantapadmanabha. So beautiful. He lost all those, nasty desires. And similarly, again, one more time it happened. He went to take a bhiksha. So he saw some lady and he was attracted. Then immediately he asked that lady, get to 2 pins. And she gave 2 pins. He, plucked out his eyeballs. Because he said, if I have eyes only, I will see all these things. Like that he became. Later, he became a great devotee. He wrote so many kirtan, bhajan, slokas. And in fact, he says, I don't even want liberation. Okay, I don't even want mukti. I want only to serve the Lord. I want to serve. What he will serve? He will chant, he will some Siddhi Haritoshanam. Lord will be pleased for the pleasure of Lord. I will. So he started writing so many shlokas and he chanted them. Okay, Hare Krishna. So this is what? Self-controlled and entangled in devotional service with determination. Okay. Mataji, he was like this, then came, it's okay. Realization can come any time. You remember the shloka 6.41, I think. Abhichet suduracharo bhajate mamani nibhag sadhareva samantavya samyak stito hi saha. Abhicheta sudurachar. Those people who are great devotees, for some reason or the other, if they fall down, we don't have to. You remember the stories we said? Shaubari Muni, Narada Muni, and all. They fell down. But the Lord fixed them back in devotion. It's Lord's. He says, I will do that. You don't have to worry why did they fall down. So when Lord only says, we don't have to worry about why they fell down, how they fell down. Yes, Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Krishna Mataji.
We finished
12.16, a
Pancham
devotee who is not dependent on the ordinary course of activities, who is pure expert without case, free from all pains, and who does not strive for some results is very dear to me.
Hare Krishna, Hare Bol. Again, see, who is free from pain? What is free from pain? If there is a pleasure to the body also, they enjoy the same. Pain to the body also, they enjoy the same. Jadabrata. When that, I told this story 2 times, if you remember. The Bharat Maharaj, who became a deer in the next birth, he became, because when he became deer, he kept on listening to the mantras. He lived near the huts of the sages. So Lord gave him another opportunity. He became Jadabharata. So when he became Jadabharata, he was like a, what do you call, Avanti Brahmana. Like another word is Avaduta. Avaduta means again, they don't know what is happening to their body. They will be like mad all the time. So everybody considered him mad. His brothers used to give him burnt rice. They threw him out of the house also. He was not at all bothered. He was equipoised that time also. So he was walking in the forest. People, tribes who wanted to give Bali. He found him. They took him, gave him nice bath with the scent, all those things, Abhishekam, and they gave him new dress. They gave him a lot, many things to eat. He would have become very happy, but he was not, because the next moment they were about to give him Bali, slit his throat. What happened? So that time also he was seen. He was equipoised. But the Kali Mata, who was seeing this, she got so annoyed, came, and he slit everybody's neck, telling, are you trying to, like kill my devotee? Like that. Same way here. This is Kardaba Muni. Aditi and Kardaba Muni. No, Devaguti and Kashyapa Muni. Yeah, Devaguti and Kashyapa Muni also we can take. See what happens here. The Manu's daughter got married to this sage, and sage is in meditation. Manu's daughter means the first who created the first progeny, Brahma's son. So you can understand she was like a princess. But when she got married to this Muni, what happens? He is all the time meditating, and he lives in the hut. Sages live in the hut, is it not? But she was equipoised. She was not lamenting why I am living in the hut and why I was a princess. And it is beautifully explained in the story. He had never even kept her legs down like that. There are people to hold it. And when he got married to him, he spent very, very austere life. Tapa. This is what is known as austerity. Life which is very difficult to strive. Prahlad Maharaj is the best example. He was put into poisonous sex room. He was like thrown under the feet of a mad elephant. He was thrown from the hill. He was equipoised. Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. He kept on saying, equipoised. So one who neither grants or pleasure or grief. So dukkha, sukha. Laments or desire. Either we desire for the present or future, lament about the past. Why did like that only we lament. So a bhakta who has surrendered to Lord, they never lament. They don't desire for future, they don't lament about the past. Krishna says there is no present at all. The difference between the past and the future is known as present. So it's written, past is for lamentation, desiring is for future. And who nonsense, both auspicious and inauspicious. Nothing great or sad for them. All are equal. Those people are very dear to me. Wonderful shloka, right? The shloka is also extremely beautiful shloka, that is. Yona grishyati na dveshti, na shochati na kankshati. Akankshati is desire, na shochati is lament. Okay, na shachati. Shubha Shubha Prityagi. Shubha Ashubha Parityagi. Anam Sachamama Priyaga. They are very dear to me. Yes, Mataji, read.
Hare Krishna Mata, 12.18-19. One who is equal to friends and enemies, one who is equipoised in honor and dishonor, heat and cold, happiness and distress, fame and infamy, who is always free from contamination, always silent and satisfied with anything, who doesn't care for any residence, who is fixed in knowledge and engaged in devotional service is very dear to me. Hare Krishna Mata.
Hare Krishna. So simple, same it is. Krishna is saying Bhakti is not difficult. That's all you learn. If somebody is scolding us, we lament like anything. If somebody is praising us, we jump. See here, Ambarish Maharaj. Ambarish Maharaj was such a great devotee. He always he used to Archanam, Vandanam, Dasyam, everything he used to do. Worship the Lord. So what happened once Durvasa Muni came to him, and on the Dwadashi day, he told him that he will have Dwadashi Prasadam with Ambarish Maharaj. So he went to the river to have bath, telling Ambarish Maharaj, I'm just coming, go and have bath and come. Okay, he took a little late time, extra time. But the Dwadashi, we have to break the fast on time. So Ambarish Maharaj broke the fast with water and tulsi leaf. And he came, Durvasa Muni. He said, come, let us break the fast. Ambarish Maharaj told my Guru, because it was getting late, I did it. Durvasa Muni got so wild. He called for a demon. See the demon? He told the demon to take the life of Ambarish Maharaj. Ambarish Maharaj was equipoised. He surrendered. Okay, Durvasa Muni, okay, my dear sage, whatever you desire. Like that he surrendered. See, he was not lamenting what has happened. He did not try to tell him, I did not break my fast. I did not take prasadam. I will do nothing. He didn't want to argue at all. What happened during that time? That who is that? Asura, demon. So when he came, all the Devatas went to the Lord. Lord also knows this very well. So what did the Lord do? The Lord sent the Sudarshana behind the Asura. So Sudarshana, he killed Asura. Then it started chasing Durvasa Muni. Then Durvasa Muni went to Devatas, and finally Shivji, Brahma, Shiva, all. They said, against the Lord's disc, Bapre, we cannot we cannot oppose. So you just go to the Supreme Personality of Godhead only. He only will be able to do, because Sudarshan Chakra is none other than Lord himself. How can we fight against that? So he went. Finally, the Lord told, okay, Sudarshan Chakra, he said, I will take it back. But he fell under the lotus feet of the Lord. He said, no, I cannot forgive you. My dear devotee, Ambarish Maharaj has to forgive you, because you did aparadha with my devotee, not with me. So this is another thing. Chipram bhavati dharmatma shashvachantinam gacchati, right? So he said, for me, my devotees are more important than myself. So go. And here he is saying that only at that time. This is a story which is given here, but Lord is saying, who does not care for any residence. They can live anywhere. Who is fixed in that kind of knowledge and engaged in devotional services, dear to me. See again, Bilva Mangalam Thakur is doing bhajan. Krishna is sitting in front of him and listening to his bhajan. Last verse. He who follows this imperishable path of devotional service and who completely engages himself with the faith. Okay? They only will come to me, very dear to me. So this faith we will talk about. Okay. See, Narada Muni once Narada Muni keeps, what do you call that? Roaming around. right? All 14 planetary system. So one day he was going like that. He saw one great Pandit. He was doing puja and he saw the Nardamani. Hey, Nardamani, where are you going? He said, I am going to meet the Supreme Personality of Godhead. The Pandit said, oh, you are going there. Ask your dear Lord, your dear Lord, that when will I reach him? Okay, I will ask and come. Then again, Narayana. He went. On the way, he saw another cobbler saw him. He asked him, Nardamani, he paid obeisances. Where are you going? Said to meet the Lord. Oh, yes, Nardamani, will you do me a favor? Yes, tell me. Will you please ask the Lord, when will I reach him? Nardamani said, yes. So finally, he went to Goloka. He asked the Lord in Goloka, Lord, like this two people asked me to ask. So when will they come to you? The Lord said, go and tell them that the Brahmana, Pandit, he will take so many thousands of years to come to me. When will the cobbler come? He will come in this birth itself. Narada was so shocked. What? Like, my dear Lord, what are you saying? He said, yeah, what I'm saying is correct. But do one thing. When you go and meet them, they will definitely ask, did you see the Lord? What the Lord was doing? You tell them the Lord was threading the elephant through the needle eye. Needle eye is so small. Only a small thin thread we can put. But you tell them I was threading the elephant through that small hole. Go and tell them. Narada Muni was thinking, what is this Lord saying? I am not able to understand anything. Narayana, he started coming. So first he met that sage, Pandit. Then he asked, did you meet the Lord? Yeah, I met the Lord. And when will I reach? He said, thousands of years. Narada Muni, you are crazy. How much great devotee I am? I know you didn't meet the Lord at all. If you really met the Lord, just let me know what he was doing. Can you tell me? I said, yeah, I can tell you. He was threading the elephant through the needle. Again, he started laughing like anything. Can anyone do this? To thread the elephant through the needle hole? He said, you did not even see him. It is confirmed. Okay, Narada Muni did not want to counter-argue. So what did he do? He finally went. On the way, again, the cobbler met him. He asked, again paid obeisances. Narada Muni, did you meet my dear Lord? He said, yes. Okay, when will I go? This birth itself. Oh, thank you, he said. But immediately, yes. What was the Lord doing when you met him? He said he was threading the elephant through the needle. He started jumping here and there. Narayana. Why? What happened to you? My dear Lord, he can do anything. What is not possible for my dear Lord? Isn't it? He Shraddha. He believes the Lord. And here, what is it? He does not believe in Lord. That is a Shraddha. Like, once, what happened? There was no rain at all. So all that whole community gathered together. They thought of doing yajna so that rain will come. So all the people assembled everything. Okay. One child also came. And the child carried an umbrella. They started doing yajna and that rain started coming, drops. And the child opened and they said, why did you bring the umbrella? But yeah, you all said when we do yajna, Lord will give rain. So I brought the umbrella so that I don't get wet. See the Shraddha. Others did not bring umbrella. So we need to